How to analyze a competitor's website in SEMrush.
Want to know how your competitors are crushing it?
SEMrush gives you the full picture.
Start by typing their domain into the Domain Overview tool.
You'll instantly get traffic insights, top performing pages, keyword rankings, backlinks,
And even their advertising strategy.
It's like having X-ray vision for any website. Let's say your competitor is ranking high for best outdoor grills. You can identify the exact article, keywords,
And backlink sources they used to get there.
then you can reverse engineer their strategy or do it even better. SEMrush even shows which pages bring the most traffic and which keywords convert best. If they're running paid campaigns,
SEMrush reveals the ad copy, budget estimates, and landing pages. Whether you're running a blog, an affiliate site, or an e-commerce store,
knowing what's working for your competitors gives you a huge edge.
join SEMrush for free. The link is in the description. Once you dive into their data, you'll never guess your strategy again.